another holiday. Life is so fucking good right now. I kid you not. I lost Parth, by the way. Parth? कहाँ है?
कितनी अच्छी लाइट आ रही है तेरे पीछे से, देख डिफ्यूज्ड।
ठीक है, go.
What? Go what? You sure? It's good like this?
It is.
Button open?
I don't like it like that.
No? Okay. Okay, see you.
See you.
I'm going to be in
Bye.
the next room, so we are ready. Only person we're waiting for is you.
I need 5 minutes.
Take your time, please. Get the keys.
I will. We have been traveling non-stop. Non-fucking-stop. Honestly, I got nothing. I shouldn't be complaining at all. And I am not complaining one bit. It's been what? Parth, I think, came here a week ago. And as soon as he landed, the next day we left for Mussoorie. We came back and then we took a day trip with the friends. And now we are here in Delhi with Parth's family. So Parth's mom and dad and Parth's brother. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Parth leaves in 3 days, which is going to be fucked up, but we'll manage. We should be okay. I think my lip tint is too... It's too bright. I think it's too fucking bright. This is my hair situation. Loving the curls. I love hotels. I love a good fucking hotel. You guys know that about me. And we reached like literally 30 minutes ago. It's 5ish. We are heading out because Parth's mom, she wants to shop. So we are going to Dilli Haat. We will let the queen be. We will let her do her thing because we are here celebrating her birthday. So she can decide whatever she wants to do with the day, and then I don't know what's the plan for the rest of the day. Why are hotels so good? There's something about a good hotel, you know what I mean? You know, I am dying for room service. I am dying for tomorrow's breakfast and the pool. Hotels are so good. Yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna see you guys. We should leave. It's already 5. Parth and I, we stayed at this hotel after the wedding for 2 days because we wanted to, you know, rest and relax. It's giving me such a nostalgia of the wedding time. And can you guys believe it's been almost 4 months? It's been 4 months. Can you imagine? It is so weird. It's literally giving me nostalgia. It is. Trust me when I say that. I know you don't trust me. Shut up.
करके गया हूँ तेरे सामने.
Conscious मत हो आ रहा है.
अरे अभी मैं
There's only one person who is not having fun.
ये थाली पीटो ताकि देखो
बटर लगा दो पूरे पे। नहीं बस तो नहीं खा पाएगी ना। अब क्या ब्रेन?
और बहुत गर्म है।
अच्छा भी नहीं भी लग रहा। परफेक्ट है। चटनी उससे ये कौन सी? अगर ये वही है तो
Guys, vinegar.
जैसे ये खरीद रहा हूँ जैसे। कितने का दे रहे हो ये? कैसी बातें कर रहे हो? 5000 ठीक है भैया, बट मैं तो 4000 का दे रहा था। शिट, सोल्ड। Trying to act candid. Didn't do anything crazy, but I'm so fucking tired. Parth is coordinating. Shorts are so loose. This is extra small. Hi guys. It is 9:30. It is 9:30. We did a bit of shopping. I got one cute summer top. I'm really tired. I just want to sleep. I haven't had any water today. Bare minimum. I'm not gonna lie. Literally bare minimum. You know, when I go to hotels, all I want to do is like be in the hotel and not move my ass at all. I would just go out for like one meal, you know, just one meal. I would just have one meal outside the property. But me as a person, if I'm going to a hotel, I would like to enjoy the fucking property and, you know, just be inside and do my own thing, not talk to anyone, isolate basically. I love doing that shit. But this time it's a bit hectic, which is okay. I mean, it's with the family, so I don't know what is up with the weather this year. It is so fucking hot. I am freaking the fuck out. I am freaking out so much. After the wedding, it took me 2 to 3 months to get back to normal, you know, and I just got used to the fact that we have to do this long distance for some. I can't share my reasons because I will when you know it is the right time, not right now. So basically I just got used to the fact that we have to do this, you know, we have to go through this for a better future, basically. And then he showed up, you know, he came to see me because I asked him to. He came to see me, and now he leaves again. He's leaving soon. Sucks. I'm not gonna lie, sucks so bad. I love my hair. I love curly hair, but maintaining curly hair is no joke. It's not for the weak. It is not for the weak. Parth left the chat. He is so tired. He's ready to go to bed already. This coffee is shit, just by the way.
Fuck silverware. We're gonna go outside, dry. That's why it's the smallest one, because who cares? And then we got the chips. I'm not gonna become. Found this place, and you know, I'm gonna. You were fucking. Give me the shit. Smart move. Only move.
नहीं, I just want masala dosa.
बोल दिया?
नहीं. Parth, can you hold this?
Okay, everything else I put away. Are you recording it?
I'm ready for the pool. My fit looks really cute. This has been the slowest day of my entire life.
All thanks to
Parth.
you.
I've been sleeping.
You're doing it yourself.
I did not eat the breakfast properly. Did I?
Yes, you did. You ate for 4 people.
I did not. I just had half an omelette and the puri situation.
Why you didn't eat the dosa?
Dosa, no.
Okay. Okay. Ready for the pool?
I am. I'm not so excited, but I'm ready.
Okay.
सही लाइट आ रही है?
यहाँ पे नहीं आ रही, इधर थी.
वहाँ आ रही थी सही.
यहाँ पे अच्छी थी, हाँ. क्योंकि नेचुरल है ना पीछे से. बट ये तेरे इसकी वजह से शाइन बहुत है फेस पे.
Weird लग रहा है फेस.
नहीं.
Just got back from the pool. I took a shower. It might look like that I didn't. It's because I did not wash my hair. I'm getting a blow dry done. 1 second. Everyone came in. So what was I saying? Yeah, I took a shower, got out of the pool. My skin is fucked. It is ruined because I have been using the pool way too much. Anyway, I am going to get my hair blow dried because there's no time for me to wash it. Also, I forgot my shampoo. To be very honest, I don't have the energy to wash my hair. My only concern is they don't know how to blow dry curly hair, so they're gonna just straighten it, which I'm okay with because I don't have the energy. No. And then after this, we are heading out to Khan Market, which is my favorite spot. I love Khan Market. I fucking love it. I look so funny. I'm so tanned already. I was in the pool for, I don't even think more than 2 hours, but I'm tanned. You best believe I miss home. Like, I miss Pathankot and I miss my parents. I'm never in the moment, never. When I'm home, I miss Parth. When I'm with Parth, I miss home. It's a fucking loop, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm gonna go get my hair blow dried.
They aren't curly, you know?
Is the blush good?
Huh?
Should I put more?
No, it's good. Chicken. Anything else you want me to put from this
No,
inside?
I just need to wear my watch. Forever late, Mr. Parth Sharma.
I am ready.
Forever
She's the
late.
one
It
late.
took him 2 hours. I got my blow dry done. I took a
was
shower.
working. I was working.
I came
I was
back from
working.
the blow dry
I was
switch, but this guy is still getting ready. The guy did a very good job. The staff was super nice. My only concern in India is they don't know how to manage curly hair. Like, they wash it and they just straighten your hair and that's the jam. I mean, I don't think it's their fault, to be very honest. In India, I think if you have curly hair, no, they don't like you. You know what I mean?
They like it, they're just like, it's not a trend to have curly hair.
Like, if you have straight hair, you're cool. And if you have curly hair, nobody gives a shit. Which is kind of sad. I don't know if I'm making sense. Still struggling. Parth is still struggling.
I'm packing up stuff for both of us so we can put it in the suitcase.
Did you order my shirt? Gave him one job. अगर वो out of stock गई ना Parth,
तो आग लगा देगी ना तो मेरी
you will be a dead man. मैं भी हेल्प करती हूँ, रुक. Ready, Parth?
Yeah.
I got too many white dresses this season.
Got too many white shirts and t-shirts this season. I don't have any black t-shirts left.
I don't have any black dress either.
Should shop some black. Because white is difficult to maintain, difficult to wash, difficult to do yada, yada, yada. just as difficult. And I got some color. This is it. Should I close this button? No.
No.
We'll give this one 4.
No.
No.
Dikha? Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, chill.
Okay, bye.
खोल लियो टी-शर्ट ऐसे
Stay bad. हाँ, सही लग रहा है. We ate so much. I think I should turn into a food fucking vlogger because that's all I do. That's all I know of. Bye. Thank you. There's still dessert for takeaway. Shame. Last night, in the hotel. This t-shirt is really funny. Believe in yourself, Parth. Believe in yourself.
Believe in Jesus.
Parth.
Do you believe in yourself?
No.
I believe in me and you and Jesus Christ. Wow, look big. I'm not, I don't.
Shopped. Parth did not shop. I got a bunch of books. Not a bunch, just 3 books. I wanted more, but I told myself that I need to stop because I had to. The past 2 days, let's do that tomorrow, no?
Whenever you want.
Because I'm sleeping, I want to sleep. It was a long fucking day. Long fucking day of doing nothing.
I was gonna say a long day of doing nothing.
I did not work at all. He was working, so I looked really bad.
You look good.
No, I look different.
Different, but not bad. Let's go. करता हूँ
कर दो
हाँ जी
कितने सेकंड करूँ
30 seconds look